things. Today I've got two things for you. The Casetify iPhone 12 Pro Max and the AirPods Pro case from Casetify. This one, I don't know what this one is. We'll open that one later on. Okay, let's start opening the Casetify iPhone 12 Pro Max. I don't really like the packaging this year. Previous years you had a nice looking box which you can actually use afterwards for, you know, keeping your phone or storing things in the cupboard, accessories and stuff, or keeping your old case safe. But it looks like they're giving us cheap packaging this year. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, I did go for the Pangram design. I went for where you've got different countries. I went for London case, which is, oh, that looks nice, absolutely beautiful. It's very nice. This is the ultra mid tough case, which has four extra corners of qìtech protection. As you can see, it's much tougher than the ones they did before, and you can survive a drop up to 3 meters or 9.8 feet. So it's definitely an ultra impact case. Very nice. You can easily charge your phone wirelessly with no issues, and also if you have a magsafe charger, that will not be a problem at all. That's it, zoomed in. That's my initials, and I put a VIP pass on it. It does look very nice. It also has a antimicrobial coating, which eliminates 99% of bacteria, and it's still very slim. Let's remove the plastic on top. Wow, it looks nice, very nice. This is the AirPods Pro case by Casetify. Let's open that as well. Yes, that looks nice. I went for the transparent design. Let me find my AirPods Pro. I did change the color by a company called Colorway. That's it. Let's see how that looks with the that's why I went for the transparent design, so that I can, you know, show off the midnight green color of the AirPods Pro. Yeah, that's how it looks and zoomed in. It is very nice, I must say. I'm not sure about the toughness of the case. I did have an issue whereby the top case cover fell off when it landed on the floor. I will show you that clip very soon, so stay tuned. That's the tip cover that normally falls off when it falls out of your hand or from waist height. That always falls off. I'll show you again zoomed in so that you can see that it doesn't really reach the edge when you cover it. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah, there it is. As you can see, zoomed in, it doesn't really reach the end. It's not reaching the edges very well. But I must say it's a very nice looking transparent case, but it's just not good enough. That's it dropping at waist height, and you can see the tip the top cover fell off. Okay, let's leave that there. And this is the thing that I wanted to find out what it was. It is, they are cleaning wipes, I guess, to clean your phone. Okay, let's leave that there. We don't need that now. And I do have an old iPhone X Max that I got a case from Casetify. Let me bring that case to show you the difference between the new one and the old one. So that's my old case, and obviously the new one is a Pro Max, and it's taller, and it's got his 4 corners, qìtech, which is different from the other one. The other one doesn't have any qìtech 4 corner protection. That's it again, zoomed in. I've had it for 2 years now, and it still looks brand new. It did serve me very well. I dropped the phone on holiday with this case, and it did survive. That's why I always swear by Casetify. Their cases are one of the best, but obviously, sadly, not for the AirPods Pro case that they do. This is my old X Max case with the phone inside, and that's it side by side. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in, and please, if you're happy with the reviews, please subscribe so that we can do more of this, and see you soon in the next one. Please subscribe. Thank you.